how many of you in this room agree that perseverance and determination can help you achieve your goal? Most of you, right? Probably all of you, because I heard you all already speak about it. So the one thing that has really helped me is that if there is a will, there is always a way, right? And most of you know about me is that I am a successful HR professional, but what you don't know about me is that I was not a HR professional, right? So I began my career as a medical transcriptionist, right? And that is not what I really wanted. The reason I started is because I did not want to sit at home and I wanted to work. So typically what engineers do is that, they wait for the right job, they wait for the right career break, and then they lose out on the campuses, and then after 2 or 3 years, I see them taking a different profession altogether. So typically I didn't want to do the same mistake, so I just went and joined in as a medical transcriptionist. I ended up being that for the last 1 year, and I was really depressed. And my mom is a person who's very passionate, who's very determined. Though she's a homemaker, she's always passionate about all the things that she does, right? So I thought she's the right person for me to go and confess that what is happening to me. Because I was married at the age of 20, at 21 I had my daughter, and then I started my career. So I did not have a family who could really understand my pain. So I went to my mom and I said that, hey, you know what, I want to be a HR professional. I haven't done my MBA at all. And how do I get it done? Because when I try for a job, people say that you have no experience in HR, so I can't really give you a job. So she said, in the local language, if there is a will, there is a way. The person that you marry to is your choice, and how do you make that happen? Because you had a will and there was a way, right? So you have your own answer, and why don't you get that done? So the next day what I did was, I used to go to office 30 minutes early, because at home I didn't have an internet those days. I'm talking about 99, 2000, right? So I used to go to office like 30 minutes in advance and then start looking out for a job, call up these consultants. I was so desperate that, I used to say that, do you have a job for me in your recruitment consulting company? And everybody said you didn't have any experience at all, to pick up this job. So what I did was I went to all the websites, name the big organizations, IBM, Wipro, Accenture, HP, you name the organizations. I used to go and see if there is an email ID that I can mail my resume. And I started doing that. And one day I get a call from Accenture. It was a shock. I couldn't believe that I'm getting a call from Accenture. They said that your resume is shortlisted, do you want to come for an interview? I was like, of course, I went home, I was like jumping, and then I go for the interview, I did really well, I get a job. It's like 1 month in Accenture, and one of my colleagues walks up to me and she said that, you know what, how do you know this person, Chet Kamath? I said, who? Chet Kamath. I said, I don't know him. She said, but your profile came through this person. I asked him, who is he? She said, he is the CEO of Accenture. So what I did was, when I was sending all my resumes, I didn't even know that Chet Kamath is the CEO of Accenture. I just shared my profile with him. And what he did was, he then shared the profile with the recruitment team. So the team thought, okay, this profile is coming from the CEO of the company, so we need to call this woman, though she doesn't have a HR experience. And then I was like, okay, and I said, can you please not tell this to anyone that I don't know this person? She said, yeah, absolutely, I'm not going to tell this to anyone, don't worry, right? So then I thought, my God, 3 things I learned. Determination, determination, and determination can help you reach your goal, right? So what I would like to tell here is that if you have a passion, there are a lot of people who get depressed. Go and speak out to people. Go and speak to your godfather or the people who are inspiring, right? Go and talk to them, because you're not losing anything here. You're only gaining with your determination. If you want to gain, if you want to learn something, it's your determination and passion. If you do not have within yourself, go out and talk to people, check with them, and then you're going to get it. So if there is a will, there is always a way. Thank you.
Can you stay here so we can hear from them?